Hey everyone, how's it going? So, what am I working on now? I got a 2023 Toyota Camry in here, and you know I'm a huge proponent of getting a PPI, a pre-purchase inspection, before you buy a used car. Well, I guess this customer didn't know anything about that. And so they purchased this car recently, and they brought it in for its first oil change with us. As soon as I get it inside, I looked at it, I was like, I thought for sure it would say CarMax on the back of it because that's how bad this thing actually is. And it's like you got to feel bad for people, but they have no recourse at this point. You know, everything's sold as is, so what are you going to do? But I want to show you this real quick just so you can see what I'm talking about. There's obvious signs that you can look at when you're purchasing a car. Don't just go, oh, it's shiny, and run up towards it and like hug it and, you know, oh, it's mine, it's mine. Pay attention to what you're looking at. So the first thing I noticed right off the bat when I go to get in it was the roof. Check this out. Can you see, why not, maybe the light will help, nah. Can you see in the roof the imperfections? See where the light's hitting it over there? See the imperfections in the roof right there? Okay. And you come down and you look at the paint on the roof here. See that? Okay, that's a couple of things right there. Now, what is that? That's a sanding mark. That's a sanding mark. Notice there's yellow paint right there. There's yellow paint underneath the edge of that. See that? Okay. These body lines are not crisp. Not at all. Look at the door handle. You go inside, somebody even painted the part of the heads of those bolts, like they put like some kind of a dot over the center of it so it wouldn't look like it got painted, but it got painted. You could see the paint mark here, the tape mark. It goes down. Okay, that's part of it. Let's go over here to the trunk. That's yellow paint. It's bled through. That's yellow paint. Was this thing a taxi cab at one point? See that? That's yellow paint. The top of the trunk. I don't know if you could see it, but there is like dirt and all the paint on this thing. It's all over the place. Yellow paint. You can see the specks of dirt on the paint. I know it's kind of hard to see with the reflection of the light, but you could see it all in there. See that? Yellow paint. Look at all of that. Every body panel has been painted on this car. These are sand marks. These are all sand marks on this car. There is not a single body panel on this car that hasn't been affected, that hasn't had some kind of bodywork, paintwork, Bondo, something. I could see it in the paint. And it's not that hard to see. You know, just take a look. This is why I tell people all the time, get a pre-purchase inspection. We would have told this person, don't buy this car. I don't know what the heck happened to it. Did it roll over? You know, did it cartwheel a guardrail or something? I don't know. Was it a taxi cab and just got beat to snot? I don't know. That's my guess, though. My guess was this was a taxi cab that got beat to snot, and then they, you know, had a inexpensive paint job to try to cover it all up. And the reason I think it was a taxi cab, let me see if you can actually see this. If you look right here, Let me shut the light off, maybe that will help. Right there in the paint, I can see it, but I don't know if you can. You can just see the outline right there, but there's a dimple there and a dimple there, as if it had like a thing on the roof for like a taxi moniker. You know what I mean? And like, but the whole roof is messed up. The whole roof has been smashed too. There is Bondo, like this all right here. This is all Bondo. This is all Bondo right here. That looks like there was a hole there that somebody just filled with Bondo. All I'm trying to say is be careful. That's all. And that's the reason. Oh, one last thing I forgot to show you. Be careful. Check out that paint run. I mean, that's massive. That's a massive paint run. But right next door, we have Sherman-Williams. That's a Sherman-Williams store. So I'm wondering if somebody painted this in their parking lot. This is just bad. This is terrible. And this is why I always say, get a pre-purchase inspection, because you just never know what you're getting. And I guarantee you nobody disclosed the information on this vehicle before, but the fact that I could see yellow paint on this thing, I'm almost willing to bet this was a taxi cab. So, whatever. I mean, I don't know. You know, what do you do in a situation like this? You tell the customer afterwards, or you just let them go? I don't know. I just don't know. It's, you know, it's something that, you know, as a decent human being, you know, it's something that you got to think about. It's like, do you want to like burst their bubble and say, hey, did you know your car is not what you think it is? You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing actually wrong mechanically that I could tell. It runs and drives fine, but the body is like I said, every single panel on this vehicle, every single one has been painted. So I don't know. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys. Have a great day. Keep wrenching. And don't make the mistake. Have somebody look at your car before you buy it.